fellow ChatGPT warriors and all of us that are really in tune with the AI and supporting the whole AI movement in this era, I found an AI prompt. It's a tool. It's an AI tool for to help you with prompts for your ChatGPT questions and how to tweak your questions properly. So let's look at this. If you come on AI for work.co, you can find prompts for any department, regardless of the department you are working with, or you're interested in, or you're in search of answers and questions in. You can find different departments. You have entrepreneurship, so you can ask startup advice, so you can ask questions. These are prompts relating to these positions. You can also go back and maybe you are into personal development. These prompts. Let's look at mindfulness. So you see, create a meditation audio recording, create a client's feedback survey. So when you click on this prompt, it helps you get the prompt to use it. It just said I need to log in. So I have an issue with logging in, but once you sign up, you can clearly see here it says sign up for free. You can come and play around with this. This is a tool that's going to really help your productivity in 2025. So if you're into marketing, sales, just come to sales and find prompts. A sales engineer, sales manager, these are all prompts that are stacks of prompts that you can use for your daily GPT answers and questions. Yeah, that's all for today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe to our channels as we continue to drop gems on the day-to-day living. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.